So I've got my portfolio open here in Google Sites, and I'm on my Favorite Things page. You can get to it from here, or you can simply go to the menu and you can jump to different ones. Your My Favorite Things should already have some stuff on it. You can see that I have added the images in a slideshow of my pictures, my titles, but I haven't written anything yet, so this is nowhere near complete. But we can put our video on here. Now, since it is the final part of this project, I would actually put it first, so it's the first thing that people see when they come to this page on the portfolio. So to do that, I'm going to insert, and instead of YouTube, we're simply going to add from Google Drive by going to our portfolio files do not delete. We should be able to find that. It's alphabetical, and I've got my, well, two of them would be confusing, but I believe I'll just look inside and see that that is where my video is. So I'm going to click on that video, and then I have to choose Insert. There's my video, and I'm going to move it up here to the top so it's the very first thing. Doesn't have to be, but it makes sense to me that that is what people see first, and then they can learn about how you made the titles, what programs you used, the different backgrounds, fonts, that sort of thing. These are the pictures, how you found them using the Google Advanced Image Search settings, how big they had to be, difficulties you had, how you kept track of where they were found, maybe even insert your Word document. We can do all sorts of stuff to expand this page. This, just having the stuff on there, is not going to be sufficient. But you won't be able to play it right away. Next thing we'll be doing is publishing this so that you can see what the actual website is going to look like. You can do a preview here, and it will show you what the page will end up looking like. I believe we should be able to press play, and it's been on there long enough now that when I look at settings, we're up to 720p. So the 1080p should appear a little bit later. And this way people will be able to watch your video without having to upload to YouTube, watch commercials, and all that stuff.